We have just been to the golf club this morning. We're on the way back. 275 down, but we're only doing a quick 10 or 15 quid in here. Didn't come back last night because we was obviously doing our gig at the Guillemot. Pot, Johnny Pot. It was 2 up. I think so. One more. Famous £1.20. I made no wins out of this one for a little while, haven't we? Been nice to have been a first press feature. Yeah, these can be savage, Michael, when they're down the back, but this one was going down the back and not going down the back and whatever else, but I know when I will play them once they've been down the back for a bit. Right, what for here now? Yeah, so big shout to all the crew last night that was out. And everybody that enjoyed it. Oh, that was a shame. Oh, thanks for the comments. I've had a couple of people. One person said that they've had 3 holds on the jackpots. I'd be mad if it did it then, seeing as I was talking about it, because that's something I've not had. Right. We're not getting... It's just over a tenner. We'll call that a tenner loss. Just fuck all the play. We're not going in anywhere else. We may be back late. We may not be. So that's just a little fly through. And... 280 down for the whole of the what's it, but yeah, we're not hanging about. Sounds like my little gold brushes are paying out. So just give you a little shot of the high tide. Did do a little mix of the all we need. Deza. Yeah, right, over and out crew. We'll have a longer session and whatever else when there's more to play. It is a Sunday, but I can't be asked to come back down. There's not going to be much going on. Maybe some action in Hobart's. Cash Lab's not on at the minute, so that's something else less to come back for. So, yeah, all good, over and out. Thumb, share, like, subscribe, and like I say, there'll be longer videos when there's more stuff to play. We can't go get into... We've got to stay sensible now. We've been slightly silly. Only slightly silly as well. I mean... Going 40 quid instead of 20 quid is not exactly the end of the road, but it soon mounts up if you keep doing that. So anyway, all right, over and out. See you soon.